guys, welcome to another day of 7 Days of Science. I'm here with my co-star, Lily. Come on, girl. Come on. Oh, my baby. Oh, my baby. Oh, my baby. Say hi. Yeah, I got...
I'm also here trying to contain the dog.
Okay, so I don't know which one I'm going to do today. Say hi, Lily. Hi, Lily. Anyways, let's get back to this.
The beautiful dog you'll be watching.
Okay, Clarissa, maybe just set her down and let her play. Okay, so today I think I'm gonna try to do. I've already done day number 5 and day number 4 and day number 5. I still have a bubble light wand, magic snow, wonder bubbles, crystal creature, and hydro super sand.
I think Lily she loves snow, so we should do snow.
Ooh, sure. The snow looks pretty simple. So, yeah. So we're doing the snow one. So I'm gonna need all the day 3 packets.
In honor of Lily,
Just sniffing everything.
Stop that! Oh, you're licking the table. Stop that.
Okay, let's look like a day 3 packages.
You a chilly girl. You a chilly girl.
Look, Clarissa, let her down.
She wanted to be up here.
Day 7. Day 3, I got 2 packets worth. Day 1. Day 6.
What about Britta's face? That's interesting.
Clarissa, set the dog down. Okay, let's see. Day 2. Day 2. What else do I need for day 3? So, a plastic container.
And you make it good. Okay, you're allowed to lick my hand, but not bite it. Come on.
But you will need to get literally just a plastic container. So I just add in this, add the water, and activate the glow. Expose to light for 2 hours. Okay, she's under the table. This seems a little bit too easy.
Okay.
So, do I get this plastic container?
Don't put glitter in it.
No. Stop. I know.
Lily, come here. Come here, girl.
Well,
Don't lick the chair.
I feel like I should use this one. So I grab... How much am I supposed to get of this water? Like, there's no super clear instructions.
What is this?
Add water. So, I guess I just use...
Lily
It doesn't show whether it's this one or this one. Clarissa, could you not? Let the dog live.
I am. She's living.
This one or this one? I don't know which. It doesn't say how much of the packets I pour in. I'm just gonna go get some water. Okay, so I got water, container, snow, and whatever I'll need these for. Okay. Lily, say hi.
Don't sniff those.
Stop trying to eat the allergy medication. Lily, say hi.
She is the cutest.
Baby.
She's like, no, don't want to.
She's camera shy. She doesn't like mirrors or cameras. Nice looking. Okay, so got my cup. I think I only need one of these. I'm gonna go grab some scissors. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is actually a measuring cup, but that's okay. I really hope this doesn't give me like a rash or something. I'm just gonna like. Oh wait, that smells like death. Okay. Now I just put in water, right? I feel like I'm doing this wrong. Put in the water, and you let it sit in the light for 2 hours. This feels wrong. It feels like this shouldn't work. I'm just gonna like scoop. Oh gosh. Whoa! Did you see that? It's like going.
Good girl. You dropped the boxy for me.
This doesn't feel safe to touch.
What doesn't?
The snow.
Oh, well, I don't know. Is it safe?
I feel like it could use some more. Like it's physically vibrating.
Is it safe though?
I don't know.
On everyone's mind.
It's like I shouldn't add too much water, but I feel like it needs more. Like, what's the consistency of this? Because this feels more like gel than snow. Weird. If snow dries out, add more water. So this is supposed to be like physically wet. So this is gonna need like a lot of water. If I just like, I feel like this is gonna be bad. No, it feels like a cushion. You just hear the ambient chaos of my sister trying to call the dog from the backyard. I don't know. I feel like there should be more water. None of this feels right. It's like, do I want this to be fluffy or sticky? It's more like a cloud than snow. I feel like I'm gonna need a bigger something to put this in. Okay, I got bigger bowl. Also, they advertise this sparkly. It's not really sparkly. It's not really cold either. I feel like I could use some more water. No one told me how messy this would be. It's really messy, but it's really fun. It's like kind of the consistency of snow. My sister attempting to walk our dog and failing somehow. Like,
Okay, listen, I let her and I forgot that she could leap through the fence. So,
yeah, we have like this really small hole in our fence, but she's really small. And then sometimes we forget that, oh my gosh, the dog could try to get through that. A cute worm. This is supposed to be like thick and jelly. Could use some more water. Bro, I've almost used up the whole cup of water. I have a cold. This is a mess. And so is whatever my sister is doing. Okay, so now we have a bowl full of fuzzy snow. And I have to leave it in the sun. Leave it in the sun for 2 hours to activate it. Because it's supposed to glow in the dark, right? Or at least glow. So I just put it in the window for 2 hours? Okay, see you later. To make the 2 hours go by faster, we have a dog, a cute one. Come on, Lily. Come on, Lily. Come on, Lily. Oh, my good girl. Why are you so camera shy?
Don't let them see my face.
I won't. Lily. Lily. Stop trying to eat mom's shoes.
Come here.
Lily. Lily.
Oh, I got her.
Lily. Say hi.
Did they see my face?
No, almost. Oh, Lily. This is kind of failing. Lily, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
She hates cameras.
I know, and mirrors. She just won't look at them for her life. Lily, see? Say hi. Yay, finally! And she wasn't even looking at us. Okay. Come back up, my baby. Hey. Okay, well, I think that's it for now.
Yep.
See you in 2 hours. Okay, so I finished the snow. It's kind of a disgusting consistency.
Ooh, that's cool.
It's like wet and
It's
mushy,
kind of like slime.
but like crummier.
Mm-hmm.
Puppy, puppy, puppy. Yeah, she's trying to sniff it. Stop moving her towards the camera. Baby, baby. So now let's test. Does it glow in the dark? Definitely, bro. Don't let the dog eat it while the lights are. It's like monster scoop.
Imagine something else is standing in here. It's
Gosh, I'm trying to get something to like hold the phone with. But will it make a snowball? It's not real snow if it doesn't make a snowball. It's kind of too crummy to make a snowball. She's just chilling. Hi, Lily. 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 What's that talking? Clarissa, put her down. Look at your baby. Baby. My baby. 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 Dog.
Don't make me look at my hair.
No, it isn't. Now they're really looking at the dog. Oh, my puppy. Oh, my baby. Ooh, my kitty. Look at her floppy ears.
Yeah, I want to turn around now.
My
Can I turn
baby.
around now?
Sure. So yeah, I think that's about it. It doesn't really make snowballs though. Like, Clarissa, can you hold the phone for a second? Set down the dog.
Okay, let's set it down on the floor.
Yeah, don't set her down on the bathroom counter.
Again.
Can you hold it?
Is she trying to eat something?
No! There is nothing on the floor for her to
Sorry,
eat.
I'm just...
Now hold it. So, stop! So, will it snowball? No.
Can I try?
Let
me try.
It's kind of like a weird crumbly consistency.
I hate it. Ew.
Anyways, I want to throw this in the garbage as soon as possible. Stop getting it all over the counter. Stop.
Sorry.
Girl, I only tapped your head. Anyways, this is kind of a fail, but at least it glows in the dark. Bye.